Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is deferent tutorial. The last episode we did these balusters. We've created all these balusters, showed you how to do the baluster, and also created round pillar. In this episode, we're going to show you on how to create some cutting wall, some cutting design here. I'm going to place a design here, and also I'm going to place create rope lights. So let's see who can finish it within this episode, showing you how to create a design, a different massing color, to show you different massing color design. I want to have a color that will suit this. We're going to use massing material to do that. So let's do this quickly. First of all, let's start up. Well, it's going to flush on this wall. I want it to flush on this wall. So let's start by doing this quickly. Let's start by doing this quickly. Let's do my modeling. Here, last time we used to go through this massing. Now we have to go through create. Go to create. We now have different varieties of classes you want to do. We want to use um, generic model. Okay, this is generic model. Asking me this is the first model, yes. So instead say solid form, solid swept, sketch. I want to pick a panel. If I want it to go through the wall, I want to pick a panel. So therefore I have to set work plane. Therefore, it now pick a panel, pick a plane. Okay. Therefore, this is the plane I want to work with. This is the plane I want to work with. I've picked it. Okay. So now it's not, I want to have a dot. So it's going to be a dot to go all the way. To go all the way this way. Here. I want to have it go all the way this way. Here. Okay. I want to have a different design here this way. Okay. Stop here. So the only way I can design this now, okay, will be from the view plan. View from the view plan. Okay. It will only be where I can design this design now. I'm going to create now. We at the view plan. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, finish filling. Edit. It's not showing me any way to design this. So I have to go to the view plan. I have to go to view plan to do this. So how do I go to the view plan? I have to go to site. Okay, this is the site now. I'll pick a plane. Then this way, this way, this way. First of all, I want to get what I want. This is the projection I wanted for knowing how to extend inside. Now, this projection I want it to be 1000, 150, 150. I want it to project from the wall, nothing less than 225. Okay, let's say 230. Projection from the wall. So therefore, it's going inside back. I want it to go inside back to 230. 230 plus 230 should give me 460. This is what I've got here. This is what it is here now. Finish. Finish. Finish family. So let's go and see what we've done in our 3D. This is what I've done in our 3D view. Don't forget, this is a massing. This is a massing. At the same time, it has all of that on it. It's a matin that we can now change the texture of this mask. So reaching here, I have a different design now here. Edit, highlight. So edit swept. Let me just finish this. Okay. So this is how to place this design. How to place this design. Let me finish this and change. Let me change the colors, textures I want to have here. Change the textures I want to have here. Probably want to use it's fence. Yeah. Okay, let me check first of all. Let me check this material. What is the material we use? So I use uniform setting for this. So whatever we're changing this texture to will be changing to. So what we use here is default steel. So let's go and change that to default steel. This should be default steel. It's not opening. Don't worry. What you do is go to view property. Left click. Let me start up again. Okay. We highlight. Left click. Right click. You have your view property. View property. This is where your property is. Okay. Edit. Here. Show categories from all display disciplines. Then go to the object you want to change. What we picked then was what? Generic model. Generic model. This is generic model. So generic model doesn't have a definition. So what are we making generic model to look like? This is just how to do this. Want generic model to become default steel. Default steel. This is how to do this. Finish. This is the first steel now. I've set it to be. The setting already is already here. So just say okay. 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 So you say okay to the settings. And that is just how to change your settings. So this texture now is this actually. It's now this style. So this is how to do our designs on on when you want to have a different color of massing. Pick a different material of massing type and do this, because you cannot change that particular texture if you want to do that. So let's do something here to this modeling. So want to have a model where to have hollow here, to have hollow here. So I think we're working with pastes. Okay, we're working with paste, whereby we can have a hollow here. I have a hollow here. The only way we can do this now is let's create a model again. Let's create a model again where we can do this. We can do this. Model we can do this in the design. We want to take up the height which we want it to look like, where we want it to flow up to. So let's do this quickly. Let's say modeling. Let's say modeling. Modeling. Okay. Modeling. create modeling. Let's still use because we want to have the same design. Generic model, same generic model, which we have set already. Let's say this is the second category. This time around, I want to have generic model to have to be of this shape, this shape. So let's go to floor plan. Do this. I want to go to floor plan to do this. Remember, I'm still having my generic model. It is supposed to be at this place, right? I want to use reference of this to do this. What I'm going to do is let's say solid form, solid swap, pick a plane. This time around, I'm not picking this plane anymore. I'm not picking a plane like this. I want to pick a line. I want to pick a line. Okay. I want to pick a line like this. The line will be the thickness of the wall, which is 150. I'm just here to show you different way of achieving the design. 150, which when we're doing in design, when we went to the height, we did 150. Here we can do 150 here now. This is 150. Now you will now finish site. Now you're not going to design this now on the top view. Go to design this now by the side. Okay, say okay, did where we want to design this now. Let's design this at our south view. Okay. Where's our plane? What's our design? Look at it here. So what do you want to achieve now? I want to still achieve the same height. Okay. I want to achieve the same height. Change here. Okay. Same height. In this case now, you can do anything you want to do. Okay. Okay. I'm still on it. Like I said, we came inside a bit to do this. Take it up this way. So now we've taken it up from the top there. Just do trimming, extension, and bring these two together. Finish. Like this. Finished it. Hope this dimension is 260. 460 medicine. Finish it. So now in this area now, anything you want to do here, probably want to achieve here now in this format. I did the other design because of I want to explain something. Anything you want to achieve here now, you can achieve it. Probably want to have a slant here. Want to have a slant here. Want to go up a bit. Probably have a slant this way. Want to have a slant this way. Okay. Let me see, trim extension. Take this off. Take that up a bit again. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we have gotten it. Now I want to have a hole here. Let's say this design, I want to have a hole. To have a hole. In this space and this space. In this space and this space, I want to have a hole. Let's have a hole between this space and this space. This is where I want to have a hole. This hole not is good enough here. I want to have a hole here. Probably you don't want to have more than one hole. Just place it over. Now copy this hole, bring it down here. Okay. If you want to have 3 holes, okay. Let me do this thing sequentially. Let me do this sequentially. let me do this sequentially. I want to have it to be the same measurement. I can use array. Array is not working here. So let me just use copy. This is 300 this way. Okay. It's okay. Then take it up again. Sorry. I want to make 3 holes. Make 3 holes. Copy. Take it up again. Copy. 400. Let me see the dimension I'm using to do this space. It's taking center line. Center line is 400. To the center line. To the center line. The center line. It's 420. So probably let me just do this like this and this. Maybe closer to the okay, make it 400. 400. Sorry. 400. I think this is what I want to achieve here. I just want to do the other one so to show you what I want to do. So let's finish and see what we've done in our 3D view. Finish. Finish swap. Finish. I'm just giving you different designs in Lumia in Revit, how to achieve this one, create one achievement using your massing materials. Now, this is what we've gotten. Okay, this is what we've gotten here. This is, we did the same design. Remember, we did the same design in 2 different ways, but this one have limitations of what we want to do, and this doesn't have limitation. This one, pick the plan, you can create it anywhere. Anyway, what you want to use operation to do. Now, if you want to create it to be, to have any shape I want to do, a regular shape, of using this particular design to do that. I'll go on the top now, make it any shape. I want to make it like star, anything. I use that to do that. If I want to create on the wall, use this particular means of doing achieving this. Let me take this one off. Okay, this is the one I want to make use of. So therefore, now, and if probably I decide to place, I want this to go this way, I can still do that. Okay. But meanwhile, let me see what I'm doing here. Let's go to the floor plan. Let's go to the floor plan. This is what I've had that. Let me bring it maybe closer this way. Let's see if I can get array. After array, this is 300 spacing. Okay, I want to make it to be 3. I want to be 3. And do before. Too much there, but let's see. 4. 4 is much. Let's make it to be 3. The 3 is okay. So let me just expand this a bit. Okay. Okay. So let me see the design we've achieved in our 3D view. This is the design we've achieved in our 3D view. So if we're good with this design, should be good with it. Okay, if we're good with it, we are good with it. It's how to achieve design. It's how to achieve a design. And how to create different massing material. This different massing material to achieve a design. So now I want to have skirting and wall cutting. So, but meanwhile, before time, let's see if we can create rope light. I want to have a rope light. So let's create a rope light of this design. So before we can go into landscaping and placement of all the anything beneath here, show me how to do this in a last video. So that is how we can still put our skirting here too. So meanwhile, let's do rope light. Before we do our rope light in the ceiling, we have to create our ceilings. So let's go to ceiling level. This is level 1. Level 1. There will be a ceiling here. So let's pick ceiling. Ceilings are not here. Let's go to modeling. So I'm modeling, pick a ceiling. This is ceiling. Look at ceiling. Now, we've picked our ceiling now. You can sketch your ceiling, you can place your ceiling. So therefore, what is the depth of the ceiling, the height of the ceiling taken? Let's go here and do setting. This ceiling is taken from, it's dropping at 2,400. That's something. I don't want it that way. I want it to drop at 2,800. Okay, 2,800. That's what I want to do drop. It's okay. I've set that. So now this is the parlor. This is the parlor. If I should place this way, it means that the ceiling is going towards the staircase region too. You see? So therefore, let me place here the anteroom. Wow. This ceiling is having a format. Let's go this way. It's currently having the form. It's on the form defaults. Let's take it to be ceiling. Let me use this. Let's use okay. So am I going to use now? What kind of ceiling are we using first of all? Okay, this is a ceiling. Okay, this is the ceiling. It's interior finish ceiling. Let me use this finish ceiling to do this. This is finish interior ceiling. Let me do it to put out. Let me see this cutting it using 60 by 60. Okay. I can use 60 by 600 or 600. Still doable. I have 600 or one something very big. I appreciate it. Okay, let's make use of it. Once you have it to also show in our 3D in our plane work, they say that use render appearance for shading. So the shading is the area you're working on. So I often think it's good. So whatever I'm setting here, we call it be go there. So okay, okay, okay. Wow. This this effect didn't take place here. See, this effect didn't take place. Let's check on design surface. This is still doing something. Okay, let's continue. Okay, this is an open space. It's an open space. You can use sketch to do this also. It might not really be here, but you can use sketch to do that. Okay. Don't like the cutting I'm using here to do this. Still going to work on that. Let's do this quickly. So let me pick sketch. On sketch now, it's going to pick. I'm using two different means to achieve this for you. Understand that they are still working the same thing. So on the sketch, picking the area we want to work on. We want to work the effect to take place. This region. Try to avoid the staircase area for me. Avoid the staircase area for me. Okay. To this point, I say finish. Look at it. Notice it is not touching the staircase area for me. So I want to still do the ceiling also. Sketch. And this area is omitting. This area is omitting. And this way. And here. Okay. This way to the edge. This is not meeting up here. Not meeting there. So to finish it, to not finish. Like so. Like so. So let's finish it. So this is to have achieved it. So let's go to 3D view and see what we've done. So this is what we've achieved in our ceiling. This is our ceiling. Okay, I want it to come out. Okay, the height here is too down. I need it to go up a bit. This one I highlighted, I want it to go up a bit. Notice it's only one it was highlighted. So going here, I want it to be both to 900 up a bit. Okay. I think at 900 it's okay. It's okay at 900. Okay. Let me see at 850 to see if it's still good at 850. 850. It's not good at 850. 850 is still down. So that is the thickness. Let's see the thickness of this slab. Is what? Thickness of this slab is this thickness. Let me make it 30. Okay. Okay. Here, let me say it's 10. Say it's 10. want this to be surface that is overviewing here to also be ceiling finish. I think that is where the effect is coming from. Okay, which I've set before. Yeah, I think that is where the effect is coming from. So let me take it up a bit. Let's make it let me make it 900 then. 900. That's what we're going to get there. Okay. I've achieved it. I think it's not coming to this point. So let me highlight it. Let's go down to the ceiling view. Edit. Edit. Let's edit to this extent. You notice we've changed that command and all the materials have come back to this. I think we can also change. Let me do this quickly. Finish. Let me check if I can get 120 by 120 by 100. Let me see if I can get 120 by 100. Edit 120. Let me see if I can see 120 by 600. 1200 by 600. Interior finish. I want to have 120 by 600. 600 by 600. Let's see if we can see if 120 by, okay, this is 120. 600. Okay. And this is what I want to achieve here. I've achieved it. So this is how to do our ceiling. Now let's go to, we've already set our ceiling materials already. The ceilings which we've picked is this. We can also go to second level ceiling. Okay, this is ceiling level now. Yeah. Let's also do our ceiling here too. This is for the ground floor. This is for the first floor. Do this. Pick our ceiling. If you want to sketch, now at this point, we can now sketch up all the surface area, all the areas to be covered now. Put the ceiling area to be covered. Okay. We don't need it here because of our roof throwing water here. So this is what we've gotten. Now, this area now, we're going to have a curtain wall here going this way. Have this curtain going this way. So let's use sketch to achieve that. You notice we're not even seeing our roof here. At this point, we're not even seeing our roof. But to have something there, so we use by sketch, we're going to still place it. These are two ways to using doing your ceiling work. Just want to place it anywhere. When I go there, I know where it is. Let me just trim the extension. Highlight, drag it to the point I want it to be. Point is down, finish. You see, we're able to achieve it. But this area is still coming up to the dream here. Let me show you in 3D. Look at it. Still coming here to this brim. Still coming here to the brim. The heights, we have to work on the heights too. So let's first of all, let's take it to the brim. Let me take the height to 3 meters. Take the height to 3 meters. This is it. On this height to 3 meters. I made the roof to be in a very high distance. Sorry. Okay. And the height is 3 meters. If you watch here, it's lapping very well there. Slapping very well here. And the changes only take place in only this particular cylinder. That cylinder should still be to see the measurement it is. So now on this area now, we need to take the cylinder up to this clear point and see take it to that way. Okay, how do we do that? Let's go here. Let's see. Let's go back to cylinder. Then we're not even seeing it here. Let's go to, can we see it in the third view? Let's see it there. Okay. Let's see. Cylinder one. Is it Control Z? First of all, Control Z. So can design this, finish designing this, or taking it out. Edit. Only this way. Only this way doesn't end there. So I'm saying, so we have to go back here. So we have to come this far. We have got this line after this one. We go this way too. Harmonize here. It's not properly harmonized. Drag it to this point. We're running out of time. Let's do this again. Finish. Okay. I like that this wanted to be. It's 300. 3,000. So 3,000. Okay. I'm not seeing them. Let's go there and see what's it done. See, it's still showing here. Still showing here. Let me see this level from seeing this from here. I'm not even seeing it there. Let's see. Set level. It's in the roof. So the only way we can see this now is by we changing the level, the heights level. That's where we can see it. Because already our level is sticking. The ceiling is here. Both of them are mixed up here. Because our side view, our view is stating that it should be taken from. Let me show you something. But why we're not seeing it? Let's go to this view. This is why we're not seeing it. We are meant to see anything that is less than 300. You see? If I should take this to 5,000, 5,000, probably 700. Nothing is attached, something is attached to it. Something is attached to it. That building is attached to it. But I'll do Control Z. Let me just show you something. How you're not seeing it. Go to this view. This is it. Hope you're not seeing everything here. You're not seeing the ceiling. Everything is here now. Because of what you change the height view. We can now view. So you cannot see the ceiling level. So let's do our Control Z. So we're not seeing that drop down because we pick the material. We suppose we did not lay that material at that level, because material we laid at that level. So we did not, we just leave it that way. Since we laid that material, I think material we laid on that level is you can always correct it. But if you want it to change, laid some material on that level, then the new material we placed here, we laid it on that level. So that is it. That's how to do this design, this how to do that. So follow some more designs like this. I've run out of time. Wanted to do rope light, but the next video I'm going to show you how to do rope light and how to place our cutting walls around here. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel. Look for more concepts like this. Thank you.